Wọ́n tó fura, wọ́n sá jẹ́ni, ọ̀dọ̀ fura, àjájì, tó lè bá fura, olè ló máa gbé lọ.
Please subscribe to Ilekoko TV.
My name is Oluwatoye YMC.
Okay, so just do something simple for me by translating a Yoruba proverb, and which is Ijakumo kiridi oso, eni abire kiridi oro.
Okay, it means that somebody that is not responsible, like a wicked person or a very arrogant person, does not work in the afternoon. But a responsible guy do not work at midnight, which means that ẹni tá a bí re kò ń rìn rò nítorí oró mẹ́ni ọ̀wọ̀.
Thank you very much.
My name is Lukman.
I just want you to translate this proverb, which is Agba tí kò kẹ́hùn sọ̀rọ̀, akẹ̀tàn sáré.
Okay. An elder who doesn't warn his word, we have to end up looking after the word. Maybe when it misbehave or something.
Okay, so what do you understand by that?
Well, that our elders have to look after their junior ones, their words. Yeah, I think.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, I want you to translate a proverb for me, and which is Aki sọ pé kọ́mọdé má dẹ́tẹ̀ tó bá ti lè dá gbogbo.
It is when a child is doing something that you have to caution him, don't do it, not do it, and continue to be doing it. You leave me alone, that you meet in the front. That is the reason. The meaning means when you are taking care of a child, when you do the wrong thing, you are correcting R or A, and the still continue to be doing that the wrong thing. So after you have been saying stop it and stop it, you leave me alone, and you will meet consequence in the front by yourself.
Okay, so what do you understand by that proverb?
That proverb is a warning word. It's a warning word. It's an advice given to someone that's getting to the wrong side. It's an advice given to a child, not to be doing better.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Please subscribe to Ilekoko TV.
What's your name, and are you Yoruba or Igbo?
Yeah, I'm Precious by name and I'm a Yoruba guy.
Okay, sharply, I just want you to translate a proverb for me, and which is Ọmọdé bá gbọ́gbọ́ kíkú, ìyá àgbọ̀gbọ̀n sísè.
Okay, if I'm to translate that, that means if a guy should or a child should know how to die, then the parent should know how to bury the child.
So what do you understand by that proverb?
Okay, the thing is just that if you should get in trouble, then your parents will be the one to, cater for you and know how to go about solving the problem.
Thank you. Okay, what is the translation of Ilé là ń wò ká tó sọmọ lórúkọ?
Ilé làwọn kan tó sọmọ orúkọ in English is you can look out before we put in ceremony in ọmọ lórúkọ and whatever and so àbí àwọn other somebody that say so ilé làwọn kan tó sọmọ orúkọ is look out before you making naming in child.
Okay, so what do you understand by that proverb?
In the proverb in Yorùbá nǹkan tó kàn yé mi sí ni pé ilé làwọn kan tó sọmọ orúkọ ni pé kí ká wo background ká wo background àti ká tó wò pé ọmọ yìí o orúkọ wo ló fẹ́ jẹ́ pé ó yá ká tó sọ lórúkọ yẹn ní pé orúkọ tá a bá máa sọ ọmọ á jẹ́ orúkọ tó dáa tó buyì kún ọmọ láti lè máa gbọ́ létí ẹ̀mọ̀ pé àwọn míì wà tó yẹ pé wọ́n máa ń sọmọ lórúkọ wọ́n á kàn sọ lórúkọ tí ìyẹn kan sọ ṣé understand ṣé kókò ní ṣe gbọ́ létí kò ní make sound létí so but tó bá máa sọmọ lórúkọ wàá sọ lórúkọ tó yẹ pé ó máa wà sound ló sì máa pè inú ẹ̀gbọ́n adùn ọ̀rá very happy. That's it.
Thank you very much, sir.